In this tutorial, we'll show you how to renew contracts and generate service jobs inside PPM. You'll learn how to access upcoming renewals, select the contracts you want to renew, and create the required service jobs in ServiceMate. This helps you keep your contracts active and make sure scheduled maintenance work continues to be generated at the right time. You can access contract renewals from the Quick Action section on the dashboard. Alternatively, you can open the Contracts section in the left-hand menu, then go to Renewals and Reminders. Here you can see all contracts that are due for renewal. This is based on the renewal reminder settings you have chosen in the Settings menu, which control when contracts should appear in this list. Contracts that are overdue for renewal will always appear at the top of the list. For each contract, you can see how many days remain until renewal, or how many days overdue it is, along with the contract period, contract number, and contract value. Select the contracts you want to renew. You can select contracts individually, or use Select All if you want to renew every contract shown in the list. You can also renew a single contract directly by clicking Renew on that contract row. For this example, we'll renew this contract. As this contract is set to bill through ServiceMate, PPM will create a billing job in ServiceMate using the renewal details from the contract. From there, you can complete the billing process in ServiceMate, generate the invoice, and send it to your client. If a contract uses external billing, PPM will still renew the contract in PPM, but no billing job will be created in ServiceMate. Next, we'll cover generating service jobs. This works in a very similar way to contract renewals. You can use Generate Jobs from the Quick Action section on the dashboard, or open the Schedules section in the left-hand menu and select Generate Service Jobs. Again, this is a very similar screen to the contract renewals page. Overdue visits will be shown at the top, with upcoming visits shown below. This makes it easy to see what needs attention first and what service jobs are due soon. You can filter the list to show only visits due this month, or choose from the other date options to view service jobs across different time periods. Next, select which ServiceMate job queue the PPM-generated jobs should be created in. These job queues are pulled directly from ServiceMate, so you may want to create a dedicated job queue called PPM or something similar. That way, when you are working in ServiceMate, it is clear which jobs have been generated from PPM. You can then select the jobs you want to generate and send through to ServiceMate. You can choose individual jobs or select multiple jobs if you want to generate them together. Once you have selected the visits you want to create, click Generate Selected. PPM will then create the selected service jobs inside ServiceMate and move each schedule forward to its next due date. Once the jobs have been generated, they will appear in your service forecast and in the history for each schedule. This gives you a clear record of what has been created, when it was generated, and which schedule it relates to. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We've covered how to renew contracts, create billing jobs where required, and generate service jobs from your schedules. You should now be able to manage contract renewals and keep your planned service work moving through to ServiceMate. From here, you can continue tracking job progress, reviewing schedule history, and managing the next stages of your contract workflow.